In this video, I'm going to show you how to search the Seesaw community for activities. Once you're in your Seesaw account, there's two ways to access activities. You can go through the plus sign on the top, and you can click on that and go to Assign Activity. Or you can go to the light bulb underneath your profile name and by your class list, and you can go to Browse Activity Library there. So I'm going to start there and go Browse Activity Library. It's going to enter into the Activity Library. You have three sections in the Activity Library. You have the community, where anyone connected to Seesaw can share activities. You have your school and district, which means that anybody can share an activity then to the school or the district. So just your school or your district can access that. And then there is My Library, and that's any of the activities that you have saved over time or created. So I'm going to start with community. And in here, if I'm looking for a grade level, I can select the grade level here. So let's say I stay with first grade. I can go into subjects. So let's say I go into reading. And I can look at the activities here. If I want to get more detailed and search for a specific topic, I can then go into the search and type in something like fluency, hit return, and I get fluency activities in here. So if I say, oh, I want to do this one page here, I'm going to select that. I can select it to open it, and I can preview it here. I don't necessarily have to assign it right now. What I can do is I can select the heart up here, which is saying I like this one, I want to add it to my library. But maybe I want to change it, or I want to assign it at a different time. So I can click the heart, it'll add to my library. I can then go back to community here, or I can use my back arrow and get back. If you notice, if I do the back to community, it gets rid of my search. So I may have to then put that search in again, or if I use my back arrow of my web browser, I should get back to my search. So you can see they have thousands upon thousands of activities that you can look at. They are starting to put in more for remote learning and home learning ideas for grade levels with all the remote and distant learning that's going on right now. So that is how you search activities in the community library.